Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting review of the Gamrombo Wireless Controller. A versatile gaming accessory compatible with Xbox consoles, PC, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. We'll dive into its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. The Gamrombo Wireless Controller is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox One S, X, PC, Mac, Samsung TV, and even Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. This versatility makes it an attractive option for gamers who like to switch between different platforms. One standout feature of this controller is its reliable wireless technology, offering both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections with a wireless range of more than 32 feet. This ensures that you can enjoy lag-free gaming, whether you're playing on your console or streaming games on your PC. Gamrombo's turbo function allows for rapid-fire action and lightning-fast response times, giving you an edge in competitive gaming. The controller also boasts a programmable macro function, allowing you to map up to 16 buttons to a single key. This can enhance your gameplay, optimize your controls, and extend the lifespan of your buttons. The controller comes equipped with dual vibration, precision control, a 6-axis gyro, turbo function, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, providing an immersive gaming experience. The precise 360 degrees precision 3D joystick ensures smooth and responsive movements during gameplay, and the built-in dual motor makes every action and hit feel more immersive. The Gamrombo controller is ergonomically designed for maximum comfort during long gaming sessions. Its modernized design and 3.5mm audio headset jack allow you to immerse yourself in your games while enjoying crystal-clear audio. It's important to note that some users have reported issues with the controller not being officially authorized by Xbox. Additionally, there have been concerns about software updates, so be sure to contact the manufacturer for the latest information. In conclusion, the Gamrombo Wireless Controller offers a wide range of features and compatibility that make it a tempting choice for gamers. However, potential issues with authorization and software updates are worth considering before making a purchase. If you're looking for an affordable and feature-rich gaming controller for multiple platforms, the Gamrombo controller may be worth a try. That wraps up our review of the Gamrombo Wireless Controller. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below, and we'll see you in the next review. Happy gaming!